Hi you two! So today we are going to continue learning about adding the ly suffix onto the end of a root word to form a noun. We'll start by having a quick recap about what we learned yesterday. So yesterday we found out that to change the adjectives into noun we can add the suffix ness. Now a noun ending in ness means a state of being. For example, tiredness is the state of being tired, like the boy in the picture. So the sentence could be, Tommy's tiredness was caused by his very late bedtime last night. And there's the word tiredness in that sentence. We also found out that most of the time when we're adding the ness suffix, it's pretty simple because we just need to add it onto the end of the root word. For example, sad becoming sadness and tired becoming tiredness. We also looked at what happens when the adjective ends in y. And we looked at how we change the y to an I before adding the ness suffix. So we looked at the examples happy and crazy. Both of these adjectives end in the letter y. So if we are changing it by adding the ness suffix, we would drop the y and add an I. So happy would become happiness and crazy would become craziness. So for today's activity, you are going to consolidate everything you've learnt about making nouns by adding the ness suffix by completing a word search. But this word search is a little bit different. The word search is hiding nouns formed by using ness, but the words at the bottom of the sheet are adjectives and not nouns. So the first thing you need to do is you need to turn the adjectives into nouns by adding the ness suffix, thinking about the rules that you have learnt. Once you have turned all of the words at the bottom, all of the adjectives into nouns, you then need to try and find those nouns in the word search. But be careful because there are some words in the word search that are not necessarily spelt correctly. So make sure you are only finding the words that are spelt correctly. Good luck, this one might be a bit tricky.